What if you invested $10,000 in Apple 10 years ago? Imagine stepping back a decade to 2015, a time when the world was buzzing with the rise of smartphones, wearable tech was just starting to take off, and Apple was already a household name, but not yet the behemoth it would become. The iPhone 6 had just hit the market, pushing the boundaries of mobile technology with its larger screen and sleek design. Apple Watch was making its debut, signaling the company's bold move into wearables. Meanwhile, Apple's services like iCloud and Apple Music were beginning to lay the groundwork for a future beyond hardware. If you had the foresight, or perhaps just a hunch, to invest $10,000 in Apple stock back then, you might be wondering how that decision would have played out. Let's dive into the numbers and see what that investment would look like today, factoring in stock price growth, dividends, and the broader context of Apple's incredible journey over the past 10 years. To calculate the value of a $10,000 investment in Apple stock from 10 years ago, we need to consider the stock price at that time, any stock splits, dividends paid, and the current stock price. According to historical data, Apple's stock traded at approximately $24.69 per share in mid-2015, adjusted for splits. With $10,000, you could have purchased roughly 405 shares. As of June 30th, 2025, Apple's closing stock price was $205.26. Those 405 shares would now be worth $83,130.30 from stock price appreciation alone. However, Apple has been paying dividends consistently over the past decade, with a current yield of about 0.43%. Over the last 10 years, Apple paid approximately $19.13 per share in dividends. For 405 shares, this translates to $7,747.65 in dividend income. If you reinvested those dividends to purchase additional shares, the total value of your investment would grow further. Factoring in both price appreciation and reinvested dividends, the total return on Apple stock over the past 10 years is estimated at 914.3%. This means your $10,000 investment would now be worth approximately $100,430. Welcome to Wealth Echelon, your go-to spot for smart investing, in-depth ETF insights, and book reviews that help you build wealth. On this channel, we explore everything from the best investment strategies to the latest trends in ETFs and provide valuable takeaways from books that can transform your financial journey. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced investor, our goal is to give you the knowledge you need to make informed decisions and grow your wealth. If you're ready to elevate your financial game, hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to turn on the bell for updates on all our latest content. Apple's success over this decade wasn't without challenges. The company navigated a global financial landscape marked by economic shifts, supply chain disruptions, and competitive pressures. Yet under Tim Cook's leadership, Apple expanded its product portfolio with innovations like the Apple Watch and AirPods, while its services segment grew into a multi-billion-dollar revenue stream. The company's ability to maintain customer loyalty through its ecosystem and consistent innovation kept its stock on an upward trajectory, even during market downturns like the 2008 financial crisis, from which it quickly recovered. It's worth noting that past performance doesn't guarantee future results, and investing in a single stock carries risks. Apple faced uncertainties, such as the passing of Steve Jobs in 2011, which sparked skepticism about its future growth. Yet, its ability to adapt and innovate proved doubters wrong. Today, with a market cap of around $3.5 trillion, Apple remains a titan, bolstered by moves into AI with features like Apple Intelligence and new products like the Vision Pro headset. In summary, a $10,000 investment in Apple 10 years ago would have grown to approximately $101,430 by mid-2025, assuming dividend reinvestment, delivering a remarkable 914.3% total return. This far surpasses the S&P 500's return, highlighting Apple's exceptional growth as a tech leader. While the stock market is unpredictable, Apple's track record shows the potential rewards of investing in a company with strong fundamentals and a knack for innovation. Investing in Apple Incorporated, NASDAQ, AAPL, has been a remarkable journey for long-term investors, driven by the company's dominance in consumer electronics, innovative product ecosystem, and robust financial performance. To understand the outcome of a $10,000 investment in Apple stock made 10 years ago, we need to consider the stock's price appreciation, dividend payments, and stock splits during that period. Below is a detailed analysis of how such an investment would have performed, assuming dividends were reinvested. Stock price appreciation and share calculation. 10 years ago, in October 2014, Apple's stock traded at approximately $24.69 per share, adjusted for splits. With a $10,000 investment, you could have purchased roughly 405 shares. $10,000 divided by $24.69, approximately 405 shares. As of October 2024, Apple's stock price was around $231.30 per share. The value of those 405 shares from stock price appreciation alone would be 405 shares times $231.30 equals $93,682. This represents a significant gain from the initial investment. Dividend contributions. Apple has consistently paid dividends over the past decade, starting in 2012, and has increased its dividend payout annually for the last 12 years. Over the 10-year period from October 2014 to October 2024, Apple paid approximately $19.13 per share in dividends. For the 405 shares purchased, the total dividend income would be 405 shares times $19.13, will $7,748. If these dividends were reinvested to purchase additional shares, the total number of shares would increase over time, further boosting the investment's value. Reinvesting dividends typically compounds returns, as each dividend payment buys more shares, which then generate additional dividends. Total return with dividends reinvested. When factoring in both stock price appreciation and reinvested dividends, the total return on Apple stock over the past 10 years is approximately 914.3%. This means a $10,000 investment in October 2014 would have grown to $10,000 times 1 plus 914.3%, 1 plus 9.1143 equals $10,000 times $10.143. This figure aligns with calculations from financial analyses, confirming that a $10,000 investment in Apple stock 10 years ago would be worth about $101,430 today, assuming all dividends were reinvested. Comparison to the broader market. To put Apple's performance in perspective, the S&P 500, a benchmark for the broader market, delivered a total return of approximately 257.58% over the same 10-year period. A $10,000 investment in an S&P 500 index fund would have grown to about $35,758. Apple's 914.3% return significantly outpaces the S&P 500, highlighting the tech giant's exceptional performance. Key drivers of Apple's success. Several factors contributed to Apple's stellar performance over the past decade. Product innovation. The iPhone, introduced in 2007, continued to dominate the smartphone market, with new models driving upgrade cycles. The iPad, Apple Watch, launched in 2015, and services like Apple Music and iCloud expanded Apple's ecosystem. Services growth. Apple's shift toward services, including the App Store, Apple Music, and iCloud, provided high-margin, recurring revenue streams, enhancing financial stability. Brand loyalty. Apple's ecosystem fosters customer loyalty, encouraging repeat purchases and upgrades, which sustains revenue growth. Capital return program. Apple's robust dividend payments and share buyback program, repurchasing approximately $520 billion in stock since 2013, have supported stock price growth by reducing outstanding shares and increasing earnings per share. Global market leadership. With a market capitalization of $3.51 trillion as of October 2024, Apple remains the world's most valuable company, surpassing competitors like NVIDIA and Microsoft. Historical context and challenges. While Apple's performance has been remarkable, it hasn't been without challenges. During the 2008 financial crisis, Apple's stock fell 56.9%, its worst annual performance in the past 20 years. However, it quickly recovered, reaching new highs by October 2009. The transition from Steve Jobs to Tim Cook as CEO in 2011 raised concerns, but Cook's leadership has proven effective, driving Apple's market cap from $12 billion in 2004 to $3.51 trillion today. Wall Street's outlook. Wall Street remains optimistic about Apple's future. Among 34 analysts covering Apple, 24 rated as a buy, with an average 12-month price target of $237.99, suggesting a 7.26% upside from the current price. Analysts like Wedbush's Daniel Ives highlight Apple's potential in AI-driven iPhone upgrade cycles, which could further boost growth. Risks and considerations. Despite its success, investing in Apple carries risks. Market volatility, economic downturns or shifts in consumer spending could impact sales. Competition. Rivals in the smartphone, wearable, and services markets pose ongoing threats. Antitrust concerns. Ongoing U.S. antitrust cases could affect Apple's business model. Valuation concerns. Some analysts suggest Apple's high valuation may limit future returns compared to the past decade. Financial experts caution that past performance does not guarantee future results, and investing in individual stocks like Apple carries more risk than diversified index funds. Conclusion. A $10,000 investment in Apple stock 10 years ago would be worth approximately $101,430 today, reflecting a 914.3% total return with dividends reinvested. This outperforms the S&P 500's 257.58% return over the same period, underscoring Apple's dominance in the tech sector. While the company's innovation, ecosystem, and financial strategies have driven exceptional returns, investors should remain mindful of risks and conduct their own research before investing. So, as you consider your own financial journey, let Apple's remarkable run inspire you. Whether you're eyeing the next big opportunity or building a diversified portfolio, the key is to stay informed, think long-term, and embrace the potential of innovation-driven growth. Thank you for diving into this what-if scenario with us. Here's to making bold, thoughtful choices and reaping the rewards of a future shaped by visionaries like Apple. Keep dreaming big, and may your investments pave the way to your own success story. Thank you for watching Wealth Echelon. We hope you found valuable insights that will help you on your investing journey. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Keep building your wealth, and we'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to check out our other videos for more investing tips, ETF strategies, and book reviews to continue growing your financial knowledge.